Guys, welcome back, cryptomaniacs, girls, to my crypto cave once again for a price analysis this time, third update today. And then tell me that this ain't devotion to you guys, to my community. I wanna get to this freaking 10,000 channel views so I can start live streaming, guys. It would be much better, much more fulfilling to have a live stream with you guys where you can ask me questions live. Yes, let's go into Bitcoin, the first price analysis. I drew a bit, a couple of support lines and triangular patterns, and we can see, if you're new to chart analyze, I can teach you something about triangular patterns, and we go here to the average price. We draw one on the bottom prices, and there we can see it broke the triangular pattern downwards. This is a support line, and going upwards, back upwards. So here we can see the second big triangle from the trend lines, and here it broke out and going all the way up, breaking all of the previous resistances. These are resistances. I wanted to point out to you, resistance is where the price is pushing on or bouncing on a couple of times or multiple times. Like, this is a good support showing here. We had some struggle to get there, had a little retracement, went up to test it, broke through, struggled to be on it, and came all the way back down to this lower support trend line. And when we broke out the pattern yesterday, September the 25th, guys, we started going back up again. And this is the same pattern in Litecoin. That is taking, we got here the support line at 56, like the resistance line that now is trying to be, it pushed up over the support line and it's now bouncing back. We'll have to see. I use the 1-day chart because I'm a long-term trader. Like, not even a trader. I would call myself a long-term investor. These tools can be very useful, guys. The triangular pattern, the Bollinger Bands, also, I'm gonna add them later on. What we see here, we broke out October the 4th, touching again. Please sign up to continue. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I can't analyze my charts anymore. Nice, I gotta sign up before. Back, I logged in, I signed in. I'm so sad, guys. I lost all my triangular patterns. So I'm gonna redraw them quickly. Down here, up there, and resistance lines. This was a resistance. This was a nice resistance. I think it was. So this is how you draw lines, actually. Just take the average prices, where you see the price struggling a bit. It's not 100% horizontal, but guys. What I wanted to say is that Bitcoin could come down, touch this resistance lines, now turned into support lines anytime soon. So we could come back and touch 4,800 before we go to 6,000. Who knows? We could form another support at 5,200, or I'm not sure. I can't look in the future, but usually it happens. It could come down. Litecoin is a pretty good buy because I am almost sure we're gonna approach this $85 mark soon. and having a price move similar to the Bitcoin one. Dash, I see Dash promising as it's parabolic. You know, I'm a long-term investor. I watch for parabolic trends. This is a kind of long triangular pattern. Long triangular pattern. I could draw it like, I'm not sure, I think like this. And oh my god, yeah. And yeah, I just do it like this. So I can move it up there and move it down here. So we see Dash is coming into this 305 range, and we will see when it breaks out, if it breaks out to the top or to the bottom. If it breaks out to the top, maybe we're gonna see the 400 mark soon, and having the next $200 price spike, like it doubles again every time it does it. We could see it soon at $600 or $800. Who knows? I'm pretty confident in Dash. Ethereum, why do they give me this chart? Yeah, okay. We just got 2 months chart here for Ethereum. We see it broke out of the triangular pattern a long time ago. Long time ago. Yeah, I don't have previous lows. So sorry for that, guys. I'm gonna change this point to... Yeah, I can't really draw a triangular pattern here because I don't have more history. I don't know why. Don't understand this. Why don't I have more history on tradingview.com? Anyway, Ethereum's price. I was struggling in the last update about Ethereum. I don't know really what's gonna happen because as more ICOs are coming out, the more Ethereum is gonna be sold for ICO token purchase. So we are kind of consolidating around 300 and 350. I would say we could see a price spike 400, 500, 600. I remind you that every time Ethereum spikes, it doubles itself, like Dash, like Litecoin, like Bitcoin. So this is my 4 forecasts. Every of this coin is gonna rise in value in the next year, and I can be pretty sure about that. I tell you, take care and buy the dips in the between, because by going up like crocodile teeth, you know, it's going more up and more up and more up, but it will always retrace a little bit. It will always. This is market manipulation from big whales, selling like FOMO periods, selling periods, buying periods, hype periods. So we will see always this kind of crocodile tooth by going up. And yeah, the best charts are Bitcoin taking off parabolically, and price predictions for $27,000. Why can't I go up? Man, I would like to show you up there. This is the first time I use TradingView. If you got some advices to use some tools or something, I will get into it this afternoon. It's morning here. I gotta still go have breakfast and feed the animals. Work first. And yes, my next buys are gonna be Dash, Litecoin, and Ethereum, as I has now everything in Bitconnect and Bitcoin. I'm gonna buy some Litecoin, Dash, and Ethereum. Do your own due diligence before investing, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.